प्रकाश सिंह और टुडे एक नया पॉडकास्ट में आज मैंने इनवाइट किया है। अगेन ये सिबलिंग्स की सीरीज चल रही है, भाई बहन साथ में हैं। सो दे आर द सिबलिंग्स दिव्य प्रकाश एंड प्रगति। दिव्य प्रकाश क्लास इज इन क्लास 8 and प्रगति is in class 7. Okay, so they are the students of Sankat Mochan, popular students of Sankat Mochan. So how are you both?
Sir, I'm good.
Good.
Yes.
Okay, so if we talk about your school, I have started a sibling series. Yesterday I invited two sisters.
Yes.
So which topic you want to talk? You want to debate or you want to discuss something?
We want to discuss.
Discuss.
Yes.
Okay. So what do you want to discuss?
Some solutions.
Tell you something.
Yes.
Okay. This is very topic and it's a burning topic, but the main problem is that normally without facing problems we don't talk about that. So this is very good topic. Okay. So everyone says that it's a bad.
Yes.
If we knowing that is bad, so why we are spreading the pollution? What are the reasons?
Because people are not ready to accept the situation.
They are not ready to accept the situation. Okay. How?
Because you know that it is the time of paddy harvesting.
Okay.
Everyone take harvest their paddy and
Definitely. Actually, they don't have chance na. Main problem is that they have the cutters. Few machines they have the cutters, and few machines they don't have the cutters. Who has the cutters? They no need to like burn that, It will be chop that paddy. But the main problem is that illegal machines are running there. So farmers they have to burn their paddy. No? So you tell.
Sir, as you told that it is the season of cutting the paddy, so the waste which is remaining, they are burning that thing. So from that, the pollution is too much.
Increasing that.
Yes.
This is the way. Definitely. You know what is the main problem? Smoke and fog.
Yes.
No, it becomes smoke. Smoke is very dangerous. Yes, it's very dangerous. Okay, so what are the ways of spreading the pollution?
Noise pollution, air pollution.
Noise pollution. It's like right now we are not ready to understand, and we are facing. Can you tell me how people are spreading the noise pollution?
Yes, sir. So like if there is any type of marriage, so for showing their qualities, they are inviting the too much high DJ
High
and
DJ.
playing too much in the high sound of songs.
Even they are charging you. They for the normal DJ music system rate is 9 to 10,000.
Yes, sir.
But for the showing only their power,
Yes, sir.
they are inviting the other district DJs, from the Kateri, from the Allahabad, from the Sultanpur, from the Faizabad, and you know how much they charging? More than 1 lakh.
Yes, sir.
In the Visarjan, oh my God,
Sir, I know that my father told me that there is a in Durga Puja they invited more than 1 lakh type of DJ and says that who have more power that
This is the
DJ
this
can
is the
play.
this is the time of showing the power. They are not, the person who has heart problem. No, people say that if he is like listening the more than 80 decibel or 90 decibel, it's dangerous for them.
Yes,
And even we cannot count when the big DJs are there. Bass, even normal people cannot stand. I
Yes.
cannot stand behind that music. It's very difficult for me.
yes, sir.
I'm normal people. And how they dance like behind the DJ, it's very critical. I'm not able to understand. If you get a chance to dance behind that kind of DJ, big DJ, so will you dance? You can dance.
No, so I will also not accept that challenge
it's-
because after standing on that type of DJ, our heartbeats goes up and down.
That is the main. I've seen that, Okay, normal people can adjust. What about the kids?
Yes, sir.
Suppose that you
Stop that type of.
government can stop in one day,
Yes, sir.
but why?
Sir, people are not ready to understand that thing.
No, they are not ready to understand. I agree with that. But main problem is that there is a question why government is not ready to understand.
Because you know that there are police, they giving money to the police and police agree.
They give the money. So another authority should take charge. It should be banned.
Yes.
Okay, noise pollution. Okay, after then, which pollution?
Sir, it is water pollution. Right?
Water pollution. It is the big problem, no?
Yes.
Right now, rivers are not safe.
Like in
Yamuna river, in Delhi, oh my God, condition is very bad. No?
yes, sir.
Even main problem that during the Chhat Puja, people there is a kind of achman. They have to drink water in this. No? So, according to that water is not good for the taking bath.
Yes, sir.
Too much bacteria is over there. So how people drink that?
Sir, actually they think that it is very clean water. We are doing the worship of the God.
But see, no, this is the our, during the lockdown, no, rivers became clean.
Yes, sir. Because no one was going outside and not.
And I don't know why they threw the garbage here and there. Why? Do you threw the garbage here and there?
Because in the village there is no dustbin and they don't aware of the green dustbin and blue dustbin. That's why.
This is the problem also, na? Why? Like the government is not launching that kind of program in villages.
Firstly,
In village na, like cities, okay, no, cities also has many problems. You can find too much garbages over here and there. Okay, and bus stand, Sultanpur, na, people are having coffee after then throwing the garbage wrappers here and there. No?
yes, sir.
So, but in village there is no facilities for that. Right? Definitely, they are not going to. What is the work of green bucket, blue bucket?
Because the government is not telling the government village people.
No, the main thing is that if government will tell, so people will understand.
No, sir. I think everyone is not only one. They are not only in the one mindset. Everyone has their different mindsets.
Different mindset.
So I think everyone is not going to understand.
Even people are not ready to understand that water is polluted.
Yes, sir.
They are
They
saying
think
no.
that
This is
in our there is more water we waste or we drink.
Huh?
It does not matter. They are not ready to understand.
They are not ready to understand. This is the big concern. No?
Yes, sir.
Noise pollution we are facing 1 day, 2 day in a month. But water, right now, before some time, I'm not talking about too much years, 5 years, 6 years. The direct water of hand pump, it was very safe to drink.
Yes, sir.
Right now, you cannot drink.
Yes,
It's very difficult to drink. Direct water from the hand pump, the taste is too different.
sir. Yes, sir.
Na? So, I don't know. And in rivers, you forget. No one can drink water from the river tap. Before some time, before 100, 200 years, 300 years, people were drinking water from the rivers.
So now in these days the lack of water is too much. So they are purifying the water and then they are drinking.
Definitely, that's concern. Yeah? Without purifying, you cannot think for that drinking. So, what is the big concern? Water pollution. And all the credit goes to us.
Yes, sir.
All the credit goes to us. Because main thing is that we are not in the habit of raising our voice. Suppose that you are not